I'm going to show you how to add a citation using a citation template from within the Citoid editor. I'm going to use the Cite Q template as my example. So first I'm going to grab the QID of the article I want to cite. Now I'm going to hit the Cite button and then select the Manual tab. I don't want to use any of these pre-selected templates, so I'm going to select Basic, and then the plus sign lets me select Template. I use Cite Thesis a lot like this, but for this example I'll use Cite Q. You can see I have these templates bookmarked to make it easy to find them. Paste your QID into Cite Q and it creates a citation. I'm just going to show you the same citation done just by pasting that QID into Citoid rather than into the template so you can see the difference. Notice that one of the authors has a Wikipedia page and that is linked from the Cite Q version but not in the plain Citoid one. The Cite Q citation will also auto-magically update if the other author ever gets a Wikipedia page, which is the reason I use it. You can change other parameters of Cite Q, such as how the authors display, but you'll need to go into source editing to do those.